Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. We just finished up this 2022 TRD Off-Road Limited. This is in the Army Green. This has the red shock bodies on it. They make the black shock bodies. The red shock bodies are the TRD Off-Road package. It also has the factory 20-inch TRD wheels on it. Wanted to share with you, we did Nitto Ridge Grapplers on this and a 35 12.5 by 20. It does clear the control arm at full lock, both front and back, and it does clear the bottom fender in the front and the rear. This one does, obviously we pin back all the fenders. This has our fender pin back here in the corner. It uses the factory hole that's in the frame back here. We put a factory clip in it to make it look like it came that way. It just allows for the feathering on the tire here to clear down there in the lower part of the fender. We did run a 1/4-inch shim here on the front. It isn't like a wheel spacer with studs. It's just a wheel spacer that goes over the factory studs. You can kind of see it maybe back there. It's very small, but it really keeps the edge blocking of the tire from rubbing up against the inside edge of the wheel well at full lock, or excuse me, the control arm at full lock. So want to share this truck with you. It came out really good, very even from front to back. The ride on it's amazing. Our kit has been really good. We've had great I don't know, as you should say, great results with it. So we spent a lot of time developing it, making sure that when we did this kit that it worked very well on this truck, and obviously the quality of the ride, the travel on the suspension, and everything that we designed on that, we would do exactly what we were hoping for. It still bumps out on the bump stop the way it was designed. It's still at full droop. You don't lose any travel up or down on this. It's still, everything's in the exact location, so, and it still aligns great. But we think right now, as far as in the marketplace with stock suspension, that we feel that this is probably the best case scenario or best kit to run on your vehicle if you want to retain the factory suspension without getting rid of it and getting your mileage out of it. We think this is the best way to go with it, and it's not going to hinder the suspension as far as wear or cause it to fail. So we hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Love to answer any questions we can for you. Thanks again for watching.